Hello YouTube, and today I'm bringing you this nail drill unboxing slash review video. So my old drill broke and this is my new one that I just ordered and I am unboxing it for you guys. Overall I like this drill. I feel like it's a better drill than my old one. Here's a list of all the things that came with the drill. When I put the drill bit in there, it kind of just fell to the bottom because of how wide it was. Here I'm going to be showing you how the drill sounds. This drill came with a USB lamp, which I thought was helpful. So now here I'm showing you my old drill and everything it came with. RIP to my old nail drill. My handpiece just stopped working. Here's a list of everything this drill came with. I do like the look and the feel of this new drill. Rest in peace, nail drill. Hey everybody, please subscribe. Here it says 87% of y'all are not subscribed. So to all my nail lovers out there, thank you for watching.